keep looking at me, they said that my life a blessing. I don't pray, don't need no reverend, yeah, my lifestyle is shit. Been getting money, building all my blocks up like they Tetris. Don't be selling other bitches, yeah, you on me, but I still like to check it. Diamonds on me if you want some ice lessons. Money on me, I could buy you a present.
What's up, y'all boys? It's KingKey. You know what I'm saying? Back with another vlog. I don't know why this camera look like this, bro. As you see, I'm on my other camera. I don't like how it's too zoomed in to me. I'm gonna get a wider lens, or I might just, you know what I'm saying, get another camera. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Me, Brandon, Chris, and some more people finna go to this car meet in Pembroke Gardens or whatever. I told Chris I'm coming by 10:15. It's like 10:26 right now. So I gotta go. Cause Chris already there, so he said where we at. So Brandon probably not even gonna come till 11. But it's 10 something for me. What am I talking about? You know, I don't know what I'm talking about. But I'm leaving right now. I had to park just to get a little intro in because what's it called? Because yeah, I'm about to leave the park right now. I forgot about the intro, but it's been a week. But y'all gotta understand, man. Like the grab bags had me so tired, bro. I ain't feel like vlogging at all, bro. So yeah, that's really how it went. I'm driving, so I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm there. All right, boys. You know what I'm saying? We here. Yeah, man.
You know what they said as commercial, but wait.
Yeah, Corvette right here. You know what I'm saying? Got a Corvette. Hopping around jet like that. I don't know where Chris at. Chris not answering his damn phone. Bro, I told you send your current, bro. I'm by the Cheesecake Factory, by the Porsches. Where you at? Oh, bro, you wanna meet at Cheesecake? Alright, bro, I'm gonna see that Cheesecake now. We got a Super. They're not really that good. I'm finna get me one. When I get the money, we get a GTR. I see Linux, where you at? The man, Chris, man.
It's good, man.
It's good, man.
We're bringing it.
Bro, you know that just take forever. Oh my God. Oh. We got all the GTRs lining right here. Oh. We got all the GTRs lining right here. That's gonna be my future car. My future car is a GTR. That's my dream car right there, GTR. They try to pull off the Paul Walker with this, but it's the new Super. It don't fit, bro. That do not fit with it, bro. You know what I'm saying? That don't fit with it, bro. They try to pull out the new Super, but with the Paul Walker look, but that don't fit with it. I got regular cars right now. Oh. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Chris, bro. You saw your dream car here?
This right here?
You saw your dream car?
Oh, my dream car, hell yeah.
What it is?
My shit was a Supra back there.
Oh, bro. Yeah. Oh, the new ones?
Nah, the old ones. The old ones.
Take a shit. Look at the shit, 10. Crazy.
Right.
I'm gonna ask one of your owners, I can put a prom with it. You know what I'm saying? We got the three years he parked up right here. 3 years he parked up right here. And we got the, I forgot the name of this shit. Lamborghini something, bro. Start with a Z, I think. Nah, it's G. Got something. So I'm saying,
maybe they do V12 Maybach, bro. That's crazy.
I got the Maybach. Soon Chris gonna be driving me in the Maybach. You know what I'm saying? When I get one. Not like that though. Maybach. Oh, we got a Lambo. We got, you know what I'm saying, over there. We don't have some shit like this.
Let's tell you, bro. Look.
It's big. And we got one of the fastest Teslas out here. So we got the Plaid. We got the Plaid Tesla. One of the fastest ones right here.
Yeah, this shit up.
That's one of the fastest Teslas, you know. We got over there. Where the Yeah, man. It's not popping. Yeah. Ferrari. Please don't touch. Don't touch. ¿Qué pasó? Ferrari. Ooh.
That's a newer. See, that's hot. That's cool.
Now, this is hard. I gotta grab that thing. Rolls Royce is hard.
Yeah, the rim back.
Sam, Rolls Royce, color hard. I'm messing with the wrap. Yeah, I don't know, we're burning up. That's just missing. M4, right?
Send it Instagram.
I'm gonna get an M4 one day. One day I'm gonna get an M4. I'm gonna wrap that. I'm gonna tune it up. You know what I'm saying? One day. Right now I'm with the Silver Surfer. Right now, but M4 one day. Chris, you gonna take one of these cars?
Huh?
You gonna take one of these cars with you?
Let me not sit down there.
Yeah, you're right. You should go to the school right there. Don't sit there on camera. Yeah, we looking for others. My camera about to die, so I might have to go to the phone soon. So yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Why you not talking to
Hey,
him?
take the camera over there.
Right now, ladies and gentlemen, somebody follow me on Instagram at Ninja Nation right now.
Where they at? Brandon here, I don't know where that's at.
Uh-oh, that haircut's tight, son.
They being mad. The ladies man too. That's crazy. recording now. Get the rep match.
Yeah, go first, go first.
Nah, you go first.
Alright,
You go first, go first.
You hear that? Acting like this shit fast, man.
Alright, man. Let me know in the comments, man. Let me know in the comments. What you thought, Lennox? Lennox, the cartoon right here. What you thought?
Both of them sisters ass gang.
Nah, sorry, bro. You got to show yours then. Show yours then. Show yours then.
Nah, I'm good, bro.
Alright.
We out of there, bro.
Alright. Say, man, I'm in the whip, man. I don't know why this camera's so close. It's pissing me off. But Chris and I'm finna go to Sawgrass, bro. I'm not going that far. I told him. So I gotta find somewhere to eat. And it might be Chick-fil-A, bro. I don't know, man. I'm thinking of somewhere to eat, but they about to leave. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I'm not going to Sawgrass. That's too far. But yeah, man. So right now, we getting Chick-fil-A. I made up my mind. I'm getting Chick-fil-A. My tripod messed up. But yeah, I'm sorry about this, like, why it's so zoomed into me. Like, I don't know why it is. I didn't even know it was like this before when I didn't have the other camera. But yeah, man, so there was a W car meet, you know what I'm saying? Saw my dream car, GTR, and yes, I will be getting that car when everything go good. If I get 3 million subscribers on this channel, I'll get a GTR. Yeah. But yeah, we saw a GTR. I ain't seen that much Hellcats. Ain't that much Hellcat. I saw a Red Eye. I saw McLaren. It was McLarens there. BMWs, M4, all of them. I saw a Maybach. Y'all saw that Maybach. Hella GTRs. Yeah, though. I saw hella good cars. You know what I'm saying? It was fast though, but it was hot outside. You know what I'm saying? But right now we in a Chick-fil-A, man. Yeah. I think she coming on my order right now. Austin Mini Cooper. Yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna get the other one on. I don't know. It's just a little vlog cause I ain't really doing nothing. And I owe y'all a vlog for not vlogging the whole week. Can you believe Grab Ass was already like, I can't even believe like Grab Ass was already like a week ago. It felt like literally 3 days ago, but it was a week ago. So yeah, man, it's crazy how time fly by fast and all that. Grab Ass is for you though, but yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Alright, but we about to splat Luke. Oh, Go! Hop out the car, hop out the car. No, don't spring inside, hop out the car, Go! Hop out the car. Go, close the door. Run him now. Oh. He hopped over the fence. Hold on. I'm on the camera right now, y'all boys. I'm on the floor right now. I couldn't get my camera. We about to go to the other side. Come. Hurry up! Go. Close the door. Me too. Oh, shoot. Right here! Spray him! Go back. I can't! Leon's right here. Get ready. You ready? He saw my car already. He already know what to do. Get him! Alright. Choose. Alright.
No, I will not answer. Please do not call my phone. Mister, do not answer phone. Please, oh girl, don't leave me alone.